Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:32 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over northeastern central southwest, or over Astrodome area, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pasadena, northwestern Pearland, northern Missouri City, Deer Park, South Houston, Bel Air, Galena Park, Jacinto City, South Belt Ellington, Greater Hobby Area, Channelview, Astrodome Area, McGregor, Greater Third Ward, Cloverleaf, Greater Eastwood, University Place, Northern Clear Lake, Highlands, and Brookside Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.